in production material handling applications, mobile industrial robots, well, that's the future of moving things in your factory. But the mobile industrial robot itself is not the entire solution. What's on top of it really matters. I'm with Benny Lund. He's co-owner of Roec. Benny, we're standing in front of a mere classic mobile industrial robot, but what's on top of that robot really matters. Tell me about it.
Oh, yeah. Without any application on top of the robot, you're not able to use the robot, you can say. That's the same for robot, free-arm robots. Without a tool, you're not able to use the robot. So, in our case, what we stand with here, it's a top roller for the MiR 500 robots.
So, in a sense, you're saying that the way we think of a gripper or the end-of-arm tooling on an industrial robot, we should think about robotics like yours on top of the AGV or the mobile robot.
Exactly, correct.
Now, in this case, we're looking at something that looks like a conveyor, in a sense. It's powered. Is this a typical application you'd use for a factory use?
Yeah, this application here is a driven roller, and this is used for factories and for warehouses, and yeah.
Now, in this case, this would autonomously, presumably, drive to racking or shelving at this point and take something off or put something on?
Yeah, in most cases you will have some conveyor lines or something where the pallets or what it is, boxes came out, and the robot came and pick it up from there and drive it to the next destination.
Now, in a factory automation environment, historically, this has been done either by hand, by people pushing a trolley, for example, or perhaps by a forklift. And even a narrow aisle forklift requires a significant distance between the shelves. Can you imagine, could we reconfigure a factory with a more densely spaced storage solution using this?
Yes, indeed, and there's many factors on that, because when you're using forklifts, you have the safety issues. With forklifts, when you're using a driver, the driver is only looking straight forward, but when you're using a vehicle like this, you have a 360-degree field of view of safety, and also the noise level is much lower when using products like this one. And that's right, you can also narrow the space for this, because they are really made for driving close to each other.
Now, of course, factories still have people wandering around at this point. We know the mobile industrial robot, the MiR platform, is sensitive to people around it. From a safety perspective, what about the Roec equipment on top?
That's the same. We are also looking really much into safety, because these products here are working really close to people, so yeah, we are looking into safety indeed.
We are thinking about mobile industrial robotics for factory applications. Think about the robot on top of the robot, says Benny Lund of Roec.